Welcome back, everybody. So 16-year-old archer Emma Russ is taking aim at representing Jamaica in the Olympics one day, and she's here to tell us a little bit about the sport, a little bit about her involvement, a little bit about her recent stint in Puerto Rico, and a little bit about her association with Jamaica. Hi, Emma. Good morning.
Hi.
So you've been archering for how long?
10 years.
What?
10 years.
You were playing with a bow and arrow when you were 6?
Yes.
Okay, how did you get involved in this sport?
My dad took my brother to do it like 11 years ago, and then I really liked it, so I decided I wanted to try.
Yeah, and your dad was like, sure, baby girl.
Yes.
Pick up that sharp object. And
Yes.
Because he realized you had a love for it.
Yes.
When did you start to get really serious about it?
I started competing when I was maybe 9 or 10, so quite a while.
That's quite a while.
Yes.
Okay, so people are listening to Emma and saying, but that accent does sound Jamaican. That's because Emma was born in, actually, Emma is a Jamaican citizen.
Yes.
She lives in New Zealand.
Yes.
And so you're here in Jamaica now.
Yes.
Visiting.
Yes.
Training?
Yeah.
Okay. This thing looks very not like in the movies. It looks very
No.
complicated.
Eh.
It's bigger than you, Emma, to be honest.
Yes, this one is. It's not mine, but mine is about my height.
Okay. Tell us what recently happened in Puerto Rico.
Okay, in Puerto Rico, I was competing to try and get a spot to go to the CAC Games in 2023, which I did do.
Excellent.
Yes.
Go Team JA. Yes.
Very excited for that. Yeah, it's my first competition for Jamaica. It was very exciting. We just had a good time. Shot pretty good.
How does one train for this?
A lot of hours, a lot of shooting.
Yeah.
You just shoot and adjust things with how you do it, how you tune your bow, make sure it's set up to shoot good for you.
Shoot like target practice shoot.
Yes.
So you're not like in the gym running and abbing and squatting and...
I do weightlifting as well, so.
You do?
Yes.
You do? And that's like
It's kind of strength training. There is a strength aspect to it, but
Who would
mostly.
have thought, right? Who would have thought? Because we look at this and we just think you take it up, you aim, you fire,
Yeah.
which is, I guess, at the core what it's really about, but it's skill.
Yes.
It's
There is a
skill.
lot of skill that goes into it.
Okay, so show me how this thing works. I'm just going to be over here. You can point the arrow like at...
The arrow is not going on the
there's
bow.
nobody
Okay.
here, that's how it's pointed.
This is the arrow.
Right.
This bit would go on the end. It doesn't have the point. These are the fletchers. That's the point.
These are the what?
Fletchers.
Fletchers.
That's what makes it spin.
Okay.
That end goes into the target. That's
Okay.
basically the gist of that.
So you would put something sharp on the end there.
It's got the sharp bit. It doesn't
I
have
knew
the
that.
bit to put it on
I
the bow.
just stand in front.
The arrow will go on here and sit over here.
Okay, so show us how you put the... So the
can't
fletcher would go into the...
It would sit on about there,
Ah,
but I don't have the bit. This one's broken. But that's fine. Then this is my finger tab. That protects my fingers because I'm pulling back a lot of weight on my fingers, and it can
how
hurt
much
if you
weight
don't.
on your fingers are you pulling? on?
On my bow, like 36 pounds.
So when you let this baby go, it's going at how many miles per hour?
I don't know.
Oh my God,
Quite fast.
Very
It
fast.
can. I shoot 70 meters, 70 or 60 meters, and it can get to the target in less than a second.
Oh my God. Okay, so show us what the correct form looks like. 'Cause
Okay.
you have to plant your feet firmly.
Yes.
Get your... And then you let go.
Which I'm not going to do.
Okay, which you're not going to do today. I'm so grateful for that. Yeah. Wow. So Olympics is where you're headed one day.
Yes.
What kind of work will it take you to get there?
A lot of hours and a lot of different competitions. There's a lot of steps to get a spot to the Olympics, which I don't really worry about. My coach does all of that. I just pick up the bow and shoot.
How
But yeah.
many hours do you currently train?
I've just come back from a bit of a break in the holidays. So at the moment I train maybe 6 hours a week, but I used to train up to 20 hours a week.
Mercy. This is like a part-time job.
Yeah,
And if you have your way, it could be a full-time, no?
yeah. If you're really good, you can earn a decent amount of money from it.
Yeah.
From winning.
What? Then you have to take it up too.
You have to win, but that's you have to be very good to do that. So.
Yeah, yeah. And so, where do you think you are in your journey now? Are you very good? Are you?
I'm getting there.
So a couple more hours, a lot more practice.
A lot more practice.
Coach on your case some more.
Yes.
Some more strength training.
Yes.
You seem to have the determination, so that's good. That ingredient is necessary. Can you bring me your mascot over there? So tell us who this is, and then turn him around so we can see all
this
the
is Rupert. He is our mascot. We've had him for many years. He collects pins from all of the places we go and all of the teams.
Yeah. He collects them?
Yes. I have a few, but he gets most of them. It's a thing in archery where all the countries trade pins from their country. So we have some from Korea, some from America, some from China, all these Kazakhstan.
And you've
Mexico.
been to all those places doing archery?
I have not. I have been to Australia, Thailand, Puerto Rico, and now here.
Okay.
But the rest of my team has been many other places.
Okay. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow.
I'm so excited.
That's amazing. So you represent Jamaica, but this is your first time here. So what, outside of training, lady, what are you doing when you're here? Because
we're going to do a bit of sightseeing.
Of course.
Learn a bit more about the country, seeing as I haven't seen too much of it.
But you are a Jamaican citizen?
Yes, I am. My
Okay,
mum was born here, so
Yeah.
I've got citizenship by descent.
Okay. Head out, go eat some jerk, something.
Yes.
Get to the beaches, the rivers, explore.
Yeah.
And do the best of Jamaica even while you train. And we wish you all the best
Thank
on
you.
your journey. What's your next competition?
I think we have a few that we're trying to decide where I'm going.
Okay.
There's one in Canada and there's one in Dominican Republic.
Okay.
Which I might go to one of them or both.
Oh,
we'll find out.
Yeah. I mean, if you're on your way to the Olympics, the more competitions you can participate in, the better. All the best to you, Emma Ross. So nice to meet you. Were you just shooting on a horse a while ago? Can I see that picture again?
What? No.
Were you,
I
was
don't
that
shoot
you?
on horse. That's not me.
Okay, just checking. All right, Archer with us this morning. Emma Russ, we take a break, folks. Don't go anywhere. We've got news in 5 and then an hour left. And Girl Power is up as well. So please stay with us. We'll be right back with more. Thank you very much.